Yo, man, let's have a good old news trading session day, man. So I'm gonna put you right here. And y'all see we got 3 minutes till news. Thinking about going with 200 a pop. I feel like news, honestly, I feel like it's gonna go up and hit this target. Everybody's saying down. I feel like we're gonna go up. So, and that's just based off my own analysis on the higher time frame. Higher time frame is in a bit of an uptrend. It's in an actual pullback right now. Last time it dropped, I feel like we're ready to go ahead and spike on up, head to the upside. It was already headed halfway up there, did another pullback. I think we're shooting to the moon. So right now we are at how many minutes left? 2 minutes left. So I'm gonna do a 3-minute trade. We're gonna do two $200 trades on a buy. Saying that the market is getting ready to shoot up somewhere in this area up here. Now, granted, it could shoot down first, then shoot up. So we're going to see how that works and plays out. But that's just my analysis. You feel me? So let's watch to see what this does. We're either going to be right or we're going to be cooked. You feel me? Now, sometimes on news, usually whichever way is going first before news hits, it usually goes the opposite. So right now, this wouldn't be a good look. The signals over here are saying we got buys coming, but you know, it's based off these percentages over here. You know, they let you know the goal is 2%. And they saying, look, they expect it. If it's a positive, we're going to be bullish. If it's lower, then it's going to be a sell-off. So hopefully they get their 2%. Otherwise, I'm baked. You feel me? Normally, I would sell on these because they always tell me to sell, especially right here. So we're going to see who was right again today. Lately, they've been right. I just went against the grain today, but positive popularity saying sell. So I just decided to guinea pig and buy. And the countdown should be popping off here in just a minute. So here we go. The countdown has officially started. You feel me? We about to get to it. I'm over here logging in the community right quick. You know what I'm saying? Checking on my peoples. We got 38 seconds. All right. But yeah, man, news is fun. Again, I wouldn't risk everything on news. You know, it's cool to do, get your feet wet a little bit. If you like a little volatility. We down to 20 seconds, baby. And it's about to go down. You think I'm going to be right or wrong? Comment below. Let's find out. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. All right, let me go look. Let me go look, baby. Let's see. Here we go. 20 seconds left. Where we going? Where we going? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. I feel like that's too much time on the clock, though, man. There we go. Hit the box. Get up there to the box, sir. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Run me my bread. Stop playing with me in these markets, man. We really trade in real life. I try to tell people, hit my box. And they did and rejected. Stop playing, man. This is how you trade, bro. You know what I'm saying? My analysis was correct. What did I base that off of? Again, higher time frame, already in the uptrend. You feel me? It was already pretty much close to this 20. I mean, if you look at it how I look at it, bro, I got a lot going on in this chart. Let me remove some of this off of here, y'all, so y'all can see what I be seeing. You know what I'm saying? Let me even go to like the H4. All right, H4 is a little cleaner. All right, first off, again, we're above the 200. Okay. We already above the 20. Last time we already dropped during news. You know what I'm saying? We already dropped, bro. So I'm like, look, we're already in the uptrend. I feel like y'all trying to reach the top today based off what's going on. You know what I'm saying? If I had a trend line here, it would look like this. You feel me? So we came down, we rejected basically off the trend line. And I feel like they was trying to shoot up. So that's what I did. You know what I'm saying? We bought and we made a bag. And that was the only trades that I took today and the only trades that I'm going to take today. Look at that. The only trades I took today and the only trades I'm going to take today. God is good. Easy money. Now listen, I know the haters be upset. I know y'all be mad, man. God bless y'all soul. You feel me? Y'all be so angry. What you mad for? Because you ain't winning? Listen, you can if you stop hating on me. You did. God is good. All glory, honor, and praise. Can't take no credit for nothing me and my wife do. Ain't that right back? Yeah. At all. You know what I'm saying? But look, real quick, for those of you who was on these charts, and you like, your chart look a little different. Y'all be all skeptical. Bro, I don't have the AI trading on my thing because you can go right here. You can go to settings if you didn't know, and you can take it off. You see it right there, AI trading. I took mine off. Didn't want it on there. Shout out to the people in the group that told me that. Yo, you good, baby? You good? Shout out to the people that told me that. But yeah, man. This is how you trade news. Again, you got options on. You know, when you go to my FX book, you can click on here, and they'll give you what the people think. Today they was wrong. Usually, a lot of times they right, but today they was wrong. You feel me? And I was right. Oh, and just for the skeptics, let me go ahead and finally refresh this because they updated. You know what I'm saying? All right, for only 2 trades, let's refresh again for you weirdos. All right, $368. That was it, all right? I'm going to holler at y'all. This is going to be the end of this video. I'm going to go check on the queen. See y'all later. Let's go.